Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best trail running gear in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Garmin Fēnix 6 Multisport GPS Watch. It's easy to get lost when trail running. One wrong turn could turn a 1-hour run into an all-day outing. The best way to guard against unwanted detours is to have a GPS watch with navigation abilities. Garmin's Fēnix 6 is the premium outdoor sports watch for any activity in the woods or mountains. It takes every standard GPS watch feature such as distance tracking, pace, and heart rate and adds on elevation data, navigation, and the ability to pre-program routes to help you never get lost again. It also offers nearly triple the battery power of most GPS watches, with 36 hours of power in GPS mode and up to 28 days in max battery saver mode. Just a heads up, the watch face is quite large. If you're looking for an outdoor watch suited for formal affairs as much as dirty days on the trails, the sleek-looking Centum 9 Peak might be better for you. Number 2. Our second best pick is Nike Men's Race Running Shoe. The Nike Men's Race Running Shoe is a versatile and comfortable running shoe that is perfect for any level of runner. The shoe features a breathable mesh upper that helps keep your feet cool and dry, while the EVA midsole provides cushioning and support. The rubber outsole provides traction and durability, and the shoe is available in a variety of colors to suit your style. The Nike Men's Race Running Shoe is a versatile and affordable running shoe that is perfect for racing or training. The shoe features a breathable mesh upper with a supportive synthetic overlays, and a Nike Zoom Air unit in the forefoot for responsive cushioning. The waffle outsole provides excellent traction and durability, while the EVA foam midsole offers a comfortable and stable ride. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tailwind Nutrition Endurance Fuel Drink Mix. Looking for a delicious and nutritious way to fuel your next endurance workout? Look no further than Tailwind Nutrition's Endurance Fuel in lemon flavor. This unique hydration drink mix is packed with electrolytes and calories to help keep you going strong, while being free of soy, dairy, and gluten. It's also vegan-friendly, making it a great choice for athletes of all lifestyles. Endurance Fuel is designed with athletes in mind. Whether you are planning on running, lifting weights, cross-training at the gym, backpacking for miles, or having a yoga session, our sports mix is made for you. Toss it in a bottle, mix with water, and you are good to go. You can ditch your wide assortment of chews, pills, and gels because our sports drink is a complete source of calories, electrolytes, and hydration. Restore your energy, and keep moving with our mix that does it all. All you need. Really. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Salomon Unisex Sensibelt. The Salomon Unisex Sensibelt is a great product for those who are looking for a comfortable and stylish way to carry their belongings. The belt is made from a soft and comfortable material that is adjustable to fit any waist size. The belt also has 2 zippered pockets that are perfect for holding your phone, keys, or other small items. The belt is also available in a variety of colors to match your personal style. For shorter runs, hydration belts can be a less restrictive alternative to a full vest. The Salomon Sensibelt is one of the best we've tested. Its elastic waist belt with Velcro enclosure is comfortable and stable against your waist. It carries up to 20 ounces of fluid with a small pocket that is still large enough for your phone and some fuel. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Julbo Fury Sunglasses. The Julbo Fury Performance Sunglasses with Spectron lens are designed for outdoor athletes who demand the very best from their gear. The Spectron lens is a high-performance, light-filtering lens that provides excellent clarity and UV protection, while the reactive photochromic lens technology automatically adjusts the tint of the lens in response to changing light conditions. The result is a pair of sunglasses that perform flawlessly in a wide range of conditions, from bright sunshine to low light. The Fury sunglasses also feature an ultra-lightweight and comfortable frame that stays put even when you're sweating, and a wide field of view that ensures you'll always have a clear view of the action. If you're looking for a pair of sunglasses that can keep up with your active lifestyle, the Julbo Fury Performance Sunglasses with Spectron lens are a perfect choice. make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.